Just look at the results of this HEM benchmark of Stanford, which was posted by Percy Liang, who is the Stanford Associate Professor. If you look at these results from HEM benchmark, you will notice a relatively unknown model called as Palmyra XV3 and Palmyra XV2. In this video, I am going to introduce you to these two models. Before I do that, a quick word on this HEM benchmark by Stanford. HEM benchmark is now come in Helm Light, which is version 1 at the moment. HEM stands for Holistic Evaluation of Language Models. And this primarily deals with highly modular LLMs and also can support any choice of evaluations. It captures language abilities, reasoning abilities, knowledge, and also multiple metrics such as accuracy, calibration, robustness, fairness, bias, toxicity, efficiency, and a lot of other things. HEMLite has performed already well. It is not just a subset of HEM Classic, which was released 1 year ago, but by simplifying it, the researchers have at Stanford now have room to expand to new domains. They have added medicine, which is MedQA, legal bench, and medicine or machine translation. HEMLite consists of a lot of other scenarios like narrative QA, natural questions, open book QA, MMLU, math, GSM 8K, legal bench, MedQA. So all in all, the point is it is quite a holistic and broad benchmark, and performing on that broad benchmark, coming close to GPT-4 is not a small undertaking, and that is why I am reviewing this model for this video. These Palmyra models have been created by the company Writer. Now, this Writer is not a new company. It is around 3 year old company, I guess, and is already quite known when it comes to um, bring its proprietary software to the market. And now they have come up with this Palmyra models, and their customers include big companies like Vanguard, HubSpot, Pinterest, Accenture, and a lot of other things. Now, these models are quite creative and productive. Both of these Palmyra models, as you can see on your screen, and these are few of the features of these models. If I look back at this benchmark again, GPT-4 still tops it, but as we as we can look, Palmyra XV2 and Palmyra XV3 models have performed really well, and they are way smaller than GPT-4, which is not a small undertaking. Palmyra also performed particularly well in the area of machine translation, which I just mentioned on the HEM chart. Also, Palmyra X is doing even better than the classic benchmark, which was the HEM one. Now, the thing is that when reputable companies like Vanguard are using this proprietary LLM, there must be something good about it. So let's try to dissect this model as what exactly it offers. I have also tried to search their website for more information and the inner working of these Palmyra models, but as they are proprietary, so there is very little information available. But whatever I have gleaned is it is known that both Palmyra XV2 and XV3 have been developed by this writer. These models represent advancement in Gen AI technology tailored for enterprise applications, and both of these offer economically feasible solution for businesses addressing challenges as such as high computational cost associated with models like GPT-4. So it seems to me that Palmyra models are sort of drop-in alternative of GPT-4, and maybe they also offer some sort of API access. Palmyra XV2 and XV3 aim to maintain effectiveness over time, considering factors like model degradation due to distillation and high serving cost. They are also designed to meet real world enterprise use cases effectively, as indicated by their performance in benchmarks like Stanford M Light Leaderboard, which I just mentioned. Also, if you look at the writer's history, their AI journey began with tools for marketing team and expanded with the launch of Palmyra Small, Palmyra Base, and Palmyra large models catering to different scale requirements. The introduction of knowledge graph, which you can also see here on their website, This allows companies to integrate their business data with Palmyra models seamlessly. Writer's approach seems to be that they include built-in solutions like AI guardrails and a graph-based approach to digital assistants, streamlining integration and deployment process for businesses. So these models seem to advocate for smaller specialized models, leveraging curated training data and updated data sets, offering efficient, cost-effective AI solutions tailored to specific enterprise needs. Now, that is all the information I have at the moment about Palmyra. I'm also trying to get it from writers, so let's see if they're willing to share more. If I do, I will also create another video. Maybe we will try it out and see how it works, because I'm quite interested to see, right, especially after looking at this Hem leaderboard, that if a model is performing that well on the level of GPT-4, it must be good. And if the good names are like Vanguard are using it, then it is, it is something which arose your curiosity. So pretty good to see there are a few alternative to it, but unfortunately it is proprietary closed source, which is a bummer, but I'll keep you posted. I'll drop the link to their website too. And if you have more information about these models, and or if you already have are working with it, or if you are from Writer, please reach out, as I'll be happy to cover it more. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.